When I was in high school, we had Team Summit. And so Team Summit was snowboard team. They did high school, middle school teams. And we would ride in the afternoons. Well, one winter, we were all riding peak 10. We knew it was cold. It was 20 below. That's the regular temperature, not even including the wind chill. It was 20 below, got on this chairlift with a bunch of friends. And it was so windy that they had to stop the chairlift. So we were at the top. We were stopped next to one of the lift poles. And the wind was 90 below with the wind chill. But we were just sitting there on the chair. And it was so hard to stay on the chairlift because the wind would grab our equipment, our boards, and get that momentum swinging the chair. So we would just kept banging against the pole. And so you'd be swinging and you'd hit the pole and you'd shift around on the chairlift. We were just all holding on for dear life, trying to stay warm. There's a little warming hut at the top up here. And so just after that one lift ride, we were so cold, we went into warm up, did one run, and we were done for the day. So even though we had prepared, wore all our warmest gear, didn't expect to have to sit up there on the chairlift, 90 below with the wind chill. That's one of the coldest chairlift rides I've ever had. So this would have been in the 90s. So I think we'll do a nice groom run, maybe right down here underneath the chairlift. Looks pretty fun. Trailer Tom Resort Report for Wednesday, January 21st, 2026. Breckenridge, Colorado, USA. Top of the Falcon Super Chair, Peak 10. So Peak 10's open, looks like fun groomed trails. I'm gonna hit right now.